If I'm bringing Jesse in to speak to my organization, the thing that I love the best is he absolutely personalized his message for this group, and I was so impressed with what he did.
And know this, under pressure, if you don't rise to the occasion, you will sink to the level of your training and your development. And that's why I say winning with self for life. I want you folks to win with self for life. Are you ready to win with yourself for life?
Yes!
Thank you.
You know, listening to Jesse is such an enjoyable thing because he's really energetic and he really connects with you in a way where it's like you're the only one in the room that he's talking to, and he really connects and is able to say things as if he's been following you around for the last 24 hours. It's like, how does he know that about me?
Today's about you. You matter most. All of you in this room, you matter most. So this is a you-focused conversation. I want this to be not a monologue. I want this to be a dialogue, like we're in conversation with one another. I want you to know what's in your purse. Your purse is an analogy for what's in your toolbox, what's in your bag, what's in your case, what's in your wallet. Perseverance, being unstoppable, having retention and sincerity along with engagement, these are essentials to be in your purse. This will bring you the life that you imagine. Many people just live their lives by happenstance. They take what comes along. You can design your life. These are keys.
He brought in video, he brought in stories that specifically related to this audience, and that's something that is very, very rare in a speaker. They just kind of do their thing, but Jesse spent so much time making this real for this audience, and I was so impressed.
But we all are faced with people that have their own crosses to bear. No one person owns that. So you have to figure out what is yours, what story are you telling yourself, what are you allowing? I believe that what story you're telling yourself matters most. I believe that you should write your own book. Decide what chapter you're in. Write your book as you go. I want to say thank you to NAWBO. I want to say thank you to our new president, Jenny. We appreciate you. You are a wonderful audience. I want to thank you, NAWBO. Thank you, Jenny Salazar. Thank you, Molly Gimmel. I'm happy to assist and support NAWBO in any way that I possibly can. The audience, exceptional. I felt a real connection. I felt like they allowed me to tell them anything that I felt that they needed to hear, and they accepted it.